All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Brandon's been working on a special night for this, just for this event. Ah, look at the style! Look at the style! He's moving the style. Brandon's had it in his eyes for a while. Let's see if he can do it. Come on, let's go! Yeah, baby. He's studying on the rope. What angle is he going to use? We're going to see. Yeah, he's got it. Oh, right down the edge of it. All right, you got your shell? Okay, miss on shell. All right, you got your rope.
One more try.
One more swing. All right.
Yes or no?
If you'll notice how sharp the back of these clips are, sometimes they have it sharpened can be a big difference in the usage of a knife. That's it. That's